Hello, my dear entrepreneurs. My name is Anthony, and I'm here to help you create bigger and more profitable business. This is the first video in a series starting your business from scratch. If you are interested in starting from scratch, this series will definitely help you find your way and create enough income to become a sustainable business model. Let's say you have an idea. Let's say you have a plan. And you even created your product. How do you get your first customer? Basically, when you create a business, everything is awesome. You can work for yourself, you can create products that you like, you can sell them and earn money, and you don't have any limit basically, because you do whatever you want and you can spend as much as you want and earn as much as you work. However, when you just start, you have no customers. No one knows about you. So how do you start and then get your first customer? There are multiple ways to do that. Let's say you are on a tight budget. Your first option is to tell your friends and family about your new business and your new product, and maybe ask them to recommend your product to additional people. So in this particular way, you can gain more reach while spending no money at all. Option number 2. You can create a business page on Facebook. And let's say you did all that. Now, if you want to promote this page, nothing will happen. Because even if you have the best product in the world and the best business plan and strategy, no one knows that you are there. You have to engage people to get a greater reach and to be heard. Let's say you've already set up your business page, right? Now, you should engage people, but you cannot do that because business pages on Facebook can't do that. So how do you do that? Basically, you might start searching for opportunities in different groups, on your local groups. Every city has its own group. Join this group as yourself. And after getting some basic engagement, you can start talking to people. Tell them about your new service or your new product. Don't just throw that on them directly, because if you just join a new group and throw your ad there, you'll be banned probably. Okay, so engage them, ask them, try being as human as possible while adding some value, and when you add this value, you can always add the product. Option number 3, of course, ads. If you won't create ads for your product, no one will know about you. Another thing to do after you created your business page is try promoting this business page on Facebook, and you should be very specific about your buyer persona. You can see a video about buyer persona up here. Now you create your ad. You understand who is your buyer. You understand your product. Now you should create a beautiful ad that will create engagement and call to action to people. So let's say you sell cookies. Try making a beautiful picture of those cookies. Put those pictures on your business page and promote this business page with call to action. For example, we'll like baking these cookies for you. They're so awesome and delicious. Are you hungry? This is the number to order those to your door. It's just a simple ad. It's just an example. You can always create additional versions of it. But as I mentioned before, the best way to sell your product is to understand customer, which is buyer persona. To understand your product. You should know your product, right? And now create an awesome engagement with 2 of those and create a beautiful customer journey that will engage your customers and call them to action. More about customer journey you can see up here. Option number 4. Direct Google marketing. You can create an ad inside Google to promote your product. In most of the cases, this ad inside Google engine will be the best option to sell it now, because people who are searching in Google want solutions. So if someone searches delicious cookies with delivery, he probably wants these cookies now. Not tomorrow, but now. If you're trying to push through Google, you should be ready to send your cookies right away, and it will definitely work. If you want to get additional information and hacks to grow your business bigger and more sustainable, or even create your business from scratch, subscribe to this channel, press notification button, and join our family in our journey to success. Additional option is, of course, flyers. Old school option, getting out, printing some flyers and spreading it in your local area. It works, it's okay. However, you might be stuck with those flyers after that. In addition, flyers are not engaging enough. So if someone gets your flyer, he can't call you directly. They will have to feel the pain and understand your solution and then call you. They can't just press the button on their phone after they've seen the ad. They have to do a lot of stuff to get to you. So flyers are less common nowadays, however, still usable in some areas. There is one additional way to do that. The last option is very simple. You just get out of there, you put some kind of table in the most crowded area of your town and start giving out free samples. Pharma industry is doing it for ages in conferences. Okay, so basically, let's come back to cookies. Just as Scouts do, they sell cookies near Walmart. Why not? There is a lot of traffic there. You just put your table and start giving free samples. Don't sell those. Give those samples for free. Engage the customer. Let's say you have 100 cookies and you want somebody to try those cookies. Just get out, put those cookies on a table, add a number, or just ask a person to give you their number and then give them a free sample. In this kind of way, you can get a huge list of people, which probably will be trimmed after that because most of them won't answer your calls. However, those who will and those who really enjoyed your cookie will probably buy from you again because you were generous, you gave that away, and it costed cents, not even a dollar. While pushing your ad through some other social media or search engines will cost you much more. And the person who will be clicking the ad will never be able to taste this product. So basically the engagement that you get from the last option I gave you is much higher. However, it's much more demanding because you should create enough cookies from different kinds. You have to get to a very crowded area and you must write down all of those names. In different countries, you might encounter different problems with permission because not every country or not every region allows you to do such kind of promotion because it's food and it's crowded area, so you have to check that out. But basically, when you're able to create this kind of engagement, you will get more customers and more happy customers, and you should never forget about the buyer persona in the customer journey. So when you combine those with nice promotion strategies, you will get happy customers that are coming back to your business and recommend your business to other people. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.